Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Imagine planting a vegetable once and enjoying fresh harvests for the next 10 years, without replanting. Today, I'll share 3 amazing perennial vegetables that will keep producing year after year, saving you time, money, and effort. Let's dive in. Why grow perennial vegetables, you ask? Well, most veggies like tomatoes or lettuce need replanting every year, but perennials? They come back on their own, giving you years of harvest with minimal work. Less maintenance, plant once and enjoy for years, and perennial saves you money. No need to buy seeds or seedlings every year. They are great for self-sufficiency and homesteading. Alright, let's get into the top 3 veggies you plant once and harvest for over a decade. Number 1. Asparagus, the king of perennial vegetables. Once established, asparagus can produce for 15 to 20 years. To grow it, plant crowns in early spring in well-drained soil. Give it 2 to 3 years to establish before heavy harvesting. Don't forget to mulch heavily to keep weeds down. When harvesting, cut spears when they're 6 to 8 inches tall in early spring. Stop harvesting in late spring to let the plant recover. Number 2. Rhubarb, a delicious and low-maintenance crop. It's super easy to grow and thrives for 10 to 15 years. Plant crowns or divisions in early spring. Rhubarb loves cooler climates and well-drained soil. And remember to mulch to protect roots in winter. Only pick the stalks as the leaves are toxic. The best harvests come after the first year. Bonus tip: rhubarb is perfect for pies, jams, and even homemade wine. Number 3. Egyptian walking onions, the everlasting onion. Imagine never buying onions again. These replant themselves naturally and spread on their own. Plant in fall or early spring in full sun. They walk by dropping top sets that grow into new plants. These onions tolerate cold, heat, and poor soil. Use the greens like scallions all year long. Harvest bulbs in fall but leave some to regrow. Bonus tip: these onions are hardy, pest-resistant, and perfect for permaculture gardens. Growing perennials like asparagus, rhubarb, and Egyptian walking onions means fresh food year after year with minimal work. Which one are you most excited to plant? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you love easy gardening and homesteading tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you next time.